Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Buick Enclave Premium Group, stock number Z8200A. Only 60,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Enclave brand new, Mocha Bronze Metallic in color. The Enclave is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Not only low miles, but very clean, as you can see. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and put you in that perfect driving position. Ages, again, only 60,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control, along with heated as well as cooled front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And home link transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Enclave, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.